Okay, I'm just going to show you me picking this Squire padlock. Squire is an English make. I don't like their padlocks very much. They haven't got security pins. They're very easy to pick. This is number 33 Squire. Very old. I just found it in a pot of mine. I don't know where it came from. I think it was the previous owners of my house who left it here. I haven't got a key for it. It's very sticky, very hard to turn the plug, but here goes.
I had followed it by way of the media, and never dreamed that I was playing.
And there you go.
Until 1982, when
thanks for watching.